Let me show you how you can create your first AI assistant for free. So firstly, I'm going to show you how this AI assistant is going to work for your business. So here as a user or the customer, I'm going to enter a message and send it to this number that is saved as test number. So here I'm going to enter this message that is, hey, I need help. And this message is going to initiate the AI assistant, which is going to respond to all the queries of mine. So now you can also create this AI assistant which is going to respond to all your customer queries within the WhatsApp. And here you can see that I'm getting the answer of this question. And now here I'm going to enter a random question regarding my business which I'm running. And we will see that we are getting the response according to my questions. And here I'm going to enter this another question, that is, what types of property do you offer? Now let's wait for the response of my AI assistant. And now you might be thinking how this AI assistant is responding according to my business. And here you can see that I'm getting the answer of my question. So now this AI assistant is responding to me according to the knowledge base which I have provided to it. But before showing the knowledge base, let's enter another question and see whether we get the response or not. So here I'm going to enter this message, that is, are the properties legally verified? And here you can see that we are getting the answer of my question. And now let's move on towards the knowledge base. So knowledge base is basically a document containing the details of the business. And here you can see that this is the knowledge base I have created for my real estate business, which consists of all the details of my business. And now this AI assistant is going to fetch the knowledge base, check the details, and according to my user's question, it is going to respond to them. So now as a business owner, you don't have to rely on normal replies of AI, because this is your personalized AI which is going to respond to all your customer queries according to your business. And now let me show you how you can also create this AI assistant. And for that you have to use only one automation tool called as Pabbly Chatflow. And Pabbly Chatflow is an amazing WhatsApp automation tool by using which you can create chatbots, AI assistant, and can also broadcast WhatsApp campaigns. And this is going to fully automate your WhatsApp. And now let's move on towards the AI assistant page. So right here I'm on the AI assistant page of Pabbly Chatflow. And for accessing the Pabbly Chatflow, you have to open the browser and type its URL. That is pabbly.com/chatflow, and right here we are on the landing page of Pabbly, where you will get two options, that is for the sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Chatflow first time, then you have to sign up for free. And Pabbly Chatflow is currently offering the free trial, means you are getting a chance for creating this automation or this AI assistant for freely inside Pabbly Chatflow. So make sure to create this free AI assistant and test it for your business by just using Pabbly Chatflow. And if you are an existing user, then you just have to sign in. And after trying this AI assistant, if you like it and want to buy our Pabbly product, that is Pabbly Chatflow, then I'm going to provide you an amazing discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts. You might also get some other coupon code as well, which are going to provide you just 5% off. But using my coupon code will grant you 6% off on your purchase. Now let's move on towards the AI assistant page and create this AI assistant. And make sure to firstly add your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow account. And once you are done, you just have to select this AI assistant given over the sidebar, and you will be getting this page where we have to select our instruction type as AI agent, and right next we are getting all these instructions. And now here we have to set the temperature. So temperature here basically shows the creativity of the AI's answer. Here 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. So as you move towards 0, your answer will be more focused, and if you move towards 1, your answer will be more creative. But right now I'm going to keep it as 0.5, which is the most suitable temperature. And from here you can select the AI to use and the model of your OpenAI. And here you have to enter the API key, which will let your OpenAI to respond to your customer queries. And for getting it, you have to visit this OpenAI API's key page given over the help desk. And right here we are on this page where you just have to click over this create new secret key button, and here you have to provide the name and the project name, and your API key will be created if you are using a paid account. And now we just have to connect it by simply selecting this connect button. And here our OpenAI key has been saved successfully. And from this AI assistant settings section, you can manage some of your AI assistant settings such as header message, footer message. And here we are getting the stop keywords. So stop keywords are the words which can stop your AI assistant. So you can enter it over here. And afterwards, we are getting this option for retry attempt. So retry attempt specifies the number of fallback retry attempt if the AI assistant fails to respond, and the valid range is from 1 to 10. And at last we are getting this fallback message. So this is the message which will be displayed when the AI assistant API is not responding correctly. Now let's manage the knowledge source, and here we have to provide the knowledge base to our AI assistant. So right here I'm on my media library, where for uploading a new knowledge base you simply have to click over this add new file. But right now I already have my knowledge base which I'm going to insert, and here you can see that my knowledge base has been uploaded successfully and we are getting the name and the vector ID. Now let's configure the assistant interface. So here we are getting this first field for entering the header display heading name. So here I have entered this header display heading name as Green Valley Farmhouse, and this can be seen on the preview of your AI assistant. And right after we are getting this subheading name, which can also be seen on the preview of your AI assistant as a subheading name. So you can provide subheading name like this. And the next we are getting this option for initial message. So this is the initial message which will be displayed on your AI assistant over your website. So you can provide two initial messages over here, and from this next field you can select the display the powered by Pabbly label. Now let me disable it and see the changes, and here you can see that the powered by Pabbly label has been disappeared, but I'm going to keep it as enable only. And here you can provide the footer text, footer link, and this is the user's first message, means this is the message which will be sent to WhatsApp from the user's side, as your user will try to connect with this AI assistant. And now let's customize the visual appearance in the styling tab. So here you can select your preferred theme mode, preferred assistant shape, and you can even change the coloring of many properties of your AI assistant. And you can even provide the header profile picture, assistant profile picture, and background picture too. So now with this we have successfully created our AI assistant. Now we just have to enable it, and now we have to save it by simply selecting the Save AI Assistant button. Now, once you will create your AI assistant, you wish to embed this AI assistant to your website, then you just have to select this embed button, and here we are getting this code which you have to add in the JavaScript section of your website, and this AI assistant will be embedded to your website. And now if your customers go through your website, then they can simply select the start chat and they will be landed to the WhatsApp, and from there they can get the answer of all their queries. And now we have successfully created our AI assistant. Now let me show you how you can enable AI assistant for your all contact or a particular contact list. So for enabling it for your all contacts, you just have to move over the settings and select this inbox settings, and you will be landed to the page where you just have to scroll down, and at last we are getting this option for enable AI auto replies, which you have to keep enabled. And from here you can select the contact list or your all contacts for which you want to enable this AI assistant, and from here you can select the AI assistant to be enabled. And now let me show you how you can enable AI assistant for a particular chat, as I have shown you that how you can enable it for your all contacts created on a Pabbly Chatflow. And now let's move on towards the inbox. And now I'm going to enable this AI assistant for this particular chat. And here on this chat we are getting this option for choose AI assistant on the right hand side, from where you have to select the AI assistant which you have created. So I'm going to select this AI assistant which I have just created, and now let's click over the save button, and here our AI assistant has been enabled successfully. So this is the way you can create your own AI assistant. And hurry up, because you are getting a chance for creating your first AI assistant for freely inside Pabbly Chatflow. So what are you waiting for? Automate your entire WhatsApp conversation without typing even a single message. And this will help your business to keep your customers engaged, as now your customers don't have to wait for the manual replies from your team. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video. And not only this chatbot, you can build many more amazing chatbots like this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn more about the pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.